I feel like I should say something before we get into the main segment, if you will, of this video. This is by no means a work of art at all. This is, if anything, this is... Stop instant messaging me while I'm making all my videos! If anything, this is the pinnacle of stupidity, and I just want to warn you, I'm all for stupid humor, but this is beyond. What you're about to see is a short, maybe 30, 45-second montage of strange faces and noises I can make. That's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoy. Let's just get into it, shall we? Now, it just goes off. It just goes off real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna count down. Okay, count down to the insanity. 3, 2, 1, go. Stop. So yeah, we should definitely do this again sometime. I'll call you. Okay. Who?
Oh, that certainly is remarkable. Look at my face. That looks so weird. I don't even know what impression I'm doing, if anybody. Is just this voice just goes so perfectly with his face. Oh yes. Help me.
I'll get you, get it, next time.
Oh, this looks really weird. Look at my neck. God.
Oh no. Look at the size of my head. Oh. Dilly pooly dilly heady dilly pooly dilly Poopy, 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 poopy.